This is front piece. Just underneath of the neck should be very straight. And this is the one I already made, and that's the front piece. And this is back piece and side. That's front piece. Attached to the sleeve outside line, which is more straight. And back part attached to more curve on the sleeve. So this is the bigger picture, which I didn't show it in previous video. So I just want to make sure. Now I'm putting them onto same cable. Two sleeve has to be on both sides of the back part. Then now I'm adding the front piece. I'm just making sure everything is all good. Make sure the right side is up and wrong side is inside. And because of the yarn, which I want to use for connecting, attached to the back piece, so I'm making sure I can start with back piece. So now it's kind of the flat, like from back piece, sleeve, front, and sleeve. But it's gonna be connected later on. First of all, knit all the way from back piece. And second sleeve. Then lastly, you will connect them together. Start knitting. I'm just showing you how to connect two separate pieces. I just finished the back piece. Now here comes sleeve. It's simple. Just keep knitting. And it's a little bit loose at first, but don't worry. Once you keep knitting, it will kind of connect tightly. Also, you will sew them together later, so you don't really have to worry about the loosening or comes apart. I just done second sleeve. Now you do front piece, so you just keep knitting until the end. Now you connect whole thing together soon. This is the last sleeve I'm knitting. There you go. Last part. You join them together. It's simple again. Just keep knitting. But this time you will put the start marker. There you go. Then keep knitting. I knit around twice to make sure it's secure. Then I change the yarn, which is changed to white color, then start rib knitting. And everything else is same as previous video. So if you haven't finished the knitting, you better go back and watch. Now I'm sewing them together. I just want to make sure how to sew them securely. Just go back and forth